Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Kimberly Harden. Yesterday was Indigenous Peoples Day. And once again, some people were more upset by the name of the day than its history. I find it interesting that individuals rebel against the truth even when presented with facts. The truth is the truth, whether we like it or not. Today, I want to share a personal truth. And that truth is that I don't celebrate holidays, and I don't celebrate Heritage Months. Here's why. Heritage Months were created to honor communities that have been ignored, undervalued, and erased. The intention is good, but the impact is usually performative. Let's be honest. Heritage Months have become a corporate cop-out. They're a shortcut, a way to signal inclusion without doing the work. A few posts, a panel, maybe a quote on the intranet, a potluck with bland or offensive food. Then it's back to business as usual. That's not inclusion. That's scheduled empathy. Real inclusion isn't seasonal. It's systemic. It shows up in who gets hired or promoted, who gets heard, and whose perspectives shape decisions. If inclusion matters, stop treating it like a seasonal campaign. Build it into your culture through equitable policies, shared power, and everyday accountability. I don't celebrate Heritage Months. Instead, I help leaders build trust-based workplace cultures that make them unnecessary. Workplace cultures that honor diversity and legacy every day of the year, not just during the themed months. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you soon.